Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add the default tags for your channel. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click here on settings. In settings, you're gonna see upload defaults. And what you want to do is just like easily see tags here. And you can just edit like here whatever you want. So I don't know, if you're gonna make like Fortnite video or whatever, Fortnite. Oh, now Fortnite how to, like it doesn't really matter, and then just click save. And when you're gonna click save, voila, you got it. And whatever new video you're gonna upload, it will always have these three tags or whatever tags you write here. So thank you, have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.